This video will show you how to use the controls on the steering wheel to operate the media system, the phone, and the instrument panel message center. Use the Mode button to scroll through all media sources. Once you've made your selection, it appears in the message center. When listening to the radio, use the up and down arrows to adjust the volume. Briefly press the left and right arrows to select the previous or next radio favourite. A longer press of either button searches for new stations by frequency. When listening to a media source, once again you can adjust the volume using the up and down arrows. A brief press of the right arrow skips to the next track. You can view and select the recent calls list using the steering wheel controls. To do this, press and release the phone button. To call the most recent number from the top of the list, press the phone button again. The selected number displays in the message center. During the call, you can adjust the volume using the up and down arrows. To end the call, press the phone button again. You can change a number of vehicle features and settings through the instrument panel menu. Some of these features are not available when the engine is running. Press the Menu button to access the menu and scroll through the features list using the up and down arrows. To select the chosen feature, press the Menu button again. Scroll through these using the up and down arrows again and the Menu button to select. If you want to return to the previous menu, press the left arrow button.